It's a beach time, spending time with family and loved one. It's a good thing to just, take time out from work, spend time with family and loved one. It's a good memory, okay? I enjoyed, encourage everyone to do that. God bless you. More trying to get something for the kids, to eat so we can continue the journey, okay? All right, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, we are on our way to the beach right now. We stopped by to get some food. I just want to encourage you out there. I know you work so hard. It's a good thing to take times off with family, just to have fun, just to relax. I don't want you to feel guilty. Don't ever feel guilty doing something that you love to do. Don't ever feel guilty taking time off work and smile and spend time with your family. And if you don't have family, you can spend time with yourself. You can take yourself out, okay? I just want to encourage you out there that is well with you. Thank you, and I will see you later. Bye. Women to beach. Hey, hey. Are we ready to go swim, Timmy? Are you ready?
No, I'm not sure.
Don't worry, your daddy can swim very well. Your daddy can swim very well. But just at the edge now, it's not going. Grace, David, come and pass ball. No, you can't do that. Change of clothes. Change. Let's be.
As in, I took. Oh, okay, that's good.
Hello, this is Victoria Loving You. I just want to introduce God to you if you have not sure who God is yet. This is at the sea. Do you see? This is at the Wilmington Beach. Do you see God? This is our God. Our God is so big. Our God is so mighty. Our God is so loving. Look at that. Look at that. Who can do this? If it's not God himself. If it's not our God. The one that died for us. The one that cared for us. Look at it. You see, baby. Hey, look at that. Look at it. They give glory to God at every time. Look at it. This is God. If you want to seek anywhere I go, I see God. Anywhere I go, God is there. Look at God here. No man can do this. and we always give him glory in this channel. Wow. Wonderful God.